Sonnet number 20 by William Shakespeare. Sonnet number 20 by William Shakespeare. A woman's face, with nature's own hand painted, as thou the master mistress of my passion. A woman's gentle heart, but not acquainted with shifting change as is false women's fashion. An eye more bright than theirs, less false in rolling, gilding the object whereupon it gazeth. A man in hue, all hues in his controlling, which stales men's eyes and women's souls amazeth. And for a woman wert thou first created, till nature, as she wrought thee, fell a-doting. And by addition, me of thee defighted, by adding one thing, to my purpose nothing. But since she pricked thee out for women's pleasure, mine be thy love, and thy love's use bare treasure.
If you'd like to hear me read more of Shakespeare's sonnets in a variety of 17th century accents, make a pledge at my Patreon account, where I'm recording them all at a rate of one per week. I'm making just a few like this one public for now.